We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Richland County, Ohio. The child was taken from 1209 Woodville Mansfield O at 2:37 p.m. on Friday, June 24, 2022. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2005 dark blue Ford Explorer with Ohio registration JBJ 9577. Suspect is Amanda Janes, 38-year-old white female, 5 feet 1 inch tall, 125 pounds. The child is a 2-week-old white female. Please call 1-877-262-3764 or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. Stay tuned for further instructions.